tech world is buzzing about the upcoming augmented reality, AR, glasses from Samsung and Google, codenamed Project Moohan. Tech YouTuber Marques Brownlee, MKBHD, recently got a hands-on preview, revealing some key features and potential advantages over Apple's Vision Pro. Key takeaways: design. While bearing a resemblance to the Vision Pro, Project Moohan has distinct design elements, including frame buttons, a touch panel, and a unique rear head strap inspired by the Meta Quest Pro. Display. MKBHD praised the display quality as fantastic, potentially rivaling the Vision Pro. Immersive content. While details are scarce, the glasses will offer immersive experiences, including YouTube video playback in a virtual environment. It's unclear if they'll support spatial videos and photos like the Vision Pro. Gaming potential. There's a hint that the glasses may support gaming with dedicated controllers, a feature not found in the Vision Pro. AI and voice control. A standout feature is the potential for voice interaction powered by AI. This could be a game changer, offering a more convenient and hands-free way to control the device compared to relying solely on hand gestures.